Hey, good looking. What you got cooking?
I know you were going to come over here and say something silly. I just cut up some bacon. I'm just separating it so I can get it on the scuttle. Get it started.
Did you say bacon?
I said bacon. Yes, bacon.
So what are you making?
I'm going to make bacon, mushroom, spinach, gnocchi
On the scuttle.
on the scuttle.
That's at first.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
But I like cooking on the scuttle, and with the weather we've been having today, it's easy cleanup.
I like it.
So we're gonna
And for
Test
those
it
of
out.
you that don't know what the scuttle is, it's basically a cast iron. It's almost a wok
almost.
with a gas burner underneath. And you can see it's pretty big. Here's my hand. I don't have little hands. I have huge hands. And this thing is clearly way bigger. Why are you laughing?
That's the things you say.
Anyway, that's the scuttle. There's the gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
Has to be boiled first.
Yes, I got the water started here.
Water started on the jet boil.
Yes.
A very clean jet boil, I might add.
Yes.
And by the way, if you haven't seen it earlier, we did a how to clean the jet boil video, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Feel free to check it out, because it's a great way to clean it, and I'm sure it works for all camp stoves. So those of you out there, if your stove is dirty, there is hope.
Yeah.
That's the sound you want. And the next item.
Get the lid off. Which I already prepped at home to make it easier. Stuff them in there really good.
Are those shiitakes?
They are. So you want to cook these for a little bit to get some of the water out of them. Mix them with the bacon. Cooking down a little bit. A couple more, say another minute, and I'll throw some spinach in here. A little oil in there, give it some moisture. Turned it down a little bit because it was pretty high. It doesn't want to come out. I stuffed it in there.
A little bit of green.
Yeah, but it cooks down to nothing. I'm going to turn this off for a minute. Mixing this in. Then I'll cover it with the lid. That looks pretty good. What was that? Okay, just relit it. Starting to wilt, steaming down. All I can smell is bacon.
That's terrible.
Some people may say so. Give it just a couple, I say 2 more minutes, and then we can throw the garlic in. gnocchi time. Now gnocchi doesn't take very long to cook, especially when it's the shelf stable. This stuff is really good. It just takes a couple minutes. Kind of slow myself. Just until it floats. So it'll be ready in no time.
Even outside with a slight breeze, you can still smell the garlic.
Yeah, it's pretty strong. That's pretty good. Mix this all together. And then we'll put in the heavy cream. Oh, smell that.
Ooh. Takes it to a whole nother level.
Give that just a second here. Okay, so now I'm going to add Parmesan. And now I'm going to mix in just a little Worcestershire. Give it kind of a caramel color. Okay, looks like it's time for the rest of the cheese, and then we'll add the gnocchi in.
The main event.
Scoot this up to the sides a little bit, so maybe we can brown them just a tiny bit.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Do we need all of it?
Yeah, you need all of it. You know, nothing says camp food like Parmesan, spinach, bacon, mushroom, gnocchi, cream sauce. Well,
It's a lot of food.
I think we're gonna eat it.
I think so. I think we're ready. And then we'll top it off with some more Parmesan.